is Audrey. I am a training manager for Campus and Torq. You're looking for a smart solution which guarantees a precise tightening of prosthetic components? You will love Torq Control, one of Torq bestsellers since 1997. In this short video, I will show you how to use this universal torque wrench to screw and unscrew a prosthesis at the requested torque value. Torq Control offers you the guarantee of complete precision, no matter the implant connection or the difficulties of access. Ready? Let's go! As you've seen, with Torq Control, you have a single, ergonomic and safe universal wrench for all your prosthetic manipulations. To maintain its precision, don't forget to return it for calibration every 2 years or 2,000 uses. Our after-sales service is here for you. I hope you liked this video and I wish to see you soon for another campus video tutorial.